Monday,
We can't wait to go back. Ooh. Stop it, Ryan. I will break your finger.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Oh my god!
Thursday,
Knock it off!
Friday,
Woo! You are so annoying.
I know.
Saturday,
What did I tell you?
Sunday.
What the heck did I just say? I'm not in the mood!
I finally watched my wife's favorite show. It inspired me to try it on her.
What are you?
What are you doing?
Ah, fuck! I did.
Hey! Stop touching it. Can you just be normal for once?
It is normal. I can't.
Just
Oh!
go.
All right. Oh! That's right. That's right.
I am so sick of this marriage, and I'm so sick of dealing with you every day. I want a divorce.
So, you still want to get a divorce?
I never said that.
I saw this guy checking out my wife, so I did this.
Yo, she's hot, right? How much you want to make a bet I can get her number?
No shot, bro. She's out of your league.
$100 says I can get her number.
$100.
Alright.
He's waiting for me to fail.
All right, here's my number. You better use it.
It's great meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You too. That's her number? 100. What? Hand it over. I told you.
Me telling my man I'm taking a shower. My man.
Hey, do not even think about it. I'm vacuuming. Don't slap my ass.
Okay, geez. I can't help it.
Babe!
I can't help it.
Come on, give me here!
Hey, hey, what's the matter with your head?
Oh, no.
How I get my man off the phone.
She's.
She went, what are you up to? You want to see her or something? What the hell are you doing? Okay. Oh. You alright with that?
I'll call you back.
Hey, you're pretty sexy. What are you doing?
Hey, just looking for some food.
Yeah?
Yeah, there you go. Smell
Okay,
that.
that was disgusting.
Yeah, I'm married too, so here you go. Goodbye.
You were rancid.
Smile if you like dick.
So do we go up to the left or the right?
Ah, my mask. What are you doing?
So do we go up to the left or the right?
Ah, my mask. What are you doing? Babe, where are you going?
I'm going fishing with the boys.
You sure you want to do that?
No, fuck the boys.
Ooh.
I'm gonna stay home with my mom.
This is fine. It's completely fine.
It's okay, baby. I gotta deal with it too.
No!
Oh, shit, girl.
Cut that shit out. Fuck. Cut it out. Cut this shit.
Get out of my way, please.
When your husband says he's going to teach you a dance.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, babe.
Hey, babe.
Sorry now.
Hey, babe.
Oh! You guys, I'll boob you later. I'll call you later.
Good morning, baby.
Good morning. How'd you sleep? Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Good, bro.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You put that back.
Okay.
Ladies, do not pump gas. I will pump the gas for you.
Get over here.
What?
I like when you're a gentleman. Get over here. Put my gas over here.
Oh my. Right here? Jesus. You do not open that door by yourself. You are way too sexy and way too beautiful. Looking like a goddamn snack.
You know what? We should just not even go to dinner. Let's just go back upstairs and...
Oh my god. Oh! Wait, you do not open the door yourself.
Thank you.
I will open it for you.
I like this treatment.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? Good boys get rewarded.
Oh my.
Pass in here.
Oh! Whoa, do not open that door by yourself. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Jesus.
Thank you, baby.
Wow.
How about we just don't even go out to eat? You want to just go back upstairs?
What do we do upstairs?
You know. Boom, boom.
Okay, yeah. Get out, get out.
Yeah.
We're not going out. Excuse me, Mrs.
What?
Beautiful, let me carry it.
Oh my god. When you act like a gentleman, it makes me into a freak.
Oh my, where are we going?
Upstairs.
Making some snow boobs. All right, let's reveal it. Oh my, look at the nip part.
I told you 10 minutes ago dinner's done. I don't give a shit about an update. I'm gonna count down from 5, and if the game isn't off and you're not downstairs, we're not having sex for a week. 5, 4, 3, 2.
You guys, I'll be right back. Babe? Whoops, sorry.
Whoops. Stop it! Stop it, Ryan!
Ow! Hey!
Get over here!
You just went in the chain! Ow! Okay, get away from me! Ow!
Nobody will ever you the way I'm about to you, Seraphine. I'm about to introduce you to all 7 gods. When you meet them, don't forget to...
Babe, can you come crack my neck?
Yeah, one sec. Alright, well, can you get down? Alright, 1, 2. Fuck!
The girls are on me. Damn. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy.
Hey Siri, call my girlfriend.
Which one?
Okay, so you got one bite. You gotta figure out what it is.
Okay.
And there was a glizzy!
Ryan!
Yo, what's good, shawty? Your man still around?
It is so weird watching you eat a banana.
Why?
You have more of a mustache than me.
What do you mean? I don't have a mustache.
My husband has been sitting on his phone.
Hey, I'll call you right back.
Bye, baby. I love you. I hope you have the best day. Mwah.
I love you. I'll be back.
Bye, baby. I love you. I hope you have the best day. Mwah.
I love you. I'll be back.
What's up?
Where you been?
I was at my mom's house.
You were at your mom's house.
I was at my mom's house. What are you doing?
You were at your mom's house.
You called my mom?
Hello.
Hey, Jeanette, how are you?
Good. What's up?
Did Ryan go to your house?
Yeah?
Is he still there?
Yeah, I'm cooking for him.
Oh, me and my husband are in the middle of a fight, and I'm gonna walk up to him naked and see what he does. Hey, are you still mad at me?
I was mad?
We were in a fight, babe.
Yeah, about the fight. I'm done fighting. Yeah, I'm done fighting. I don't want to fight.
I don't want to fight either. Baby, I have something important to tell you. We're pregnant.
Run.
Oh! Baby! Babe! I keep breaking out in pimples. I don't know what is going on.